Winter decor. Do I even like winter? I tried. Want to see what I did? Come on, I'll show you. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that one there. And this little bell. Hi guys, happy Friday. Do you know why I'm really happy? Because I stuck to my schedule. I'm back to normal. Oh my God, I'm so happy that I'm making a video on Friday for you guys. And I thought, what better video to make today than to show you what I've done for winter. Yeah, winter. Do I even like winter? No. Okay, as I was saying, I am not a fan of winter. Okay? I'm not a fan of winter. Don't like the cold, and I don't like the snow. And I don't like that everything looks blah. I mean, this is my opinion. It's my opinion. You don't have to listen to my opinion. I'm just a simple girl, but I'm just telling you how I truly feel. Hi, I think, well, first of all, I love the beach and I love the sand. Yeah, and I love hot weather. Okay, enough dreaming. Let's get to the video, Bella. Okay, guys, so I tried really, really hard this year to embrace winter. So I figured I'm gonna do the house really neutral and try and embrace winter. Okay, that's what I did. That's what I tried my best. So if you love neutral decor, this is good for you. You'll love this. I'm telling you, you'll love this. If you're like me, I've lived with it now for about a month. Come back to the end and I'll tell you what's gonna happen. Okay, let me show you the tour of the house and my very, very simple neutral decor. And then I'll see you at the end of the video and tell you what's coming up next. Okay, when you walk into my house in the hallway, you're kind of greeted by my front hallway table. But for right now, I just want to focus over here. Right near my staircase, this is what I did. I had this cute little adorable table, and I just added this vase that I got from Hobby Lobby and these florals, and it says spring may be on its way. Yeah, and then I just added this little bird cage. It's so cute, and this ginger jar that I'm obsessed with. It's a really old one. And I'll show you over here in my entrance. I always have this welcome sign. It's like the everyday thing that I have. And then I have those two metal buckets. And I just added really simple green. Over here in the corner, I'll pan back so you get an idea. I just added one of my lanterns on a little stand here. And it's so simple. It's just a candle, a little bow that I made with ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And that's it. Really. This is the little square entranceway, I guess. And you could see my Christmas wreaths are still outside on the front door. But that's what that looks like. Okay, what I really want to show you guys is up here, what I've done on my ledge. I'm going to walk up the staircase and show you that. This little ledge on my staircase where it curves. And I usually do groupings of 3, but this time I wanted to do a grouping of 5. So 3 of these vases, the tall skinny one that's kind of rounded, that diamond looking one, and then the oval one, those were in a set. And then these other ones were just like glass vases that I picked up at, I think Home Goods. Did I pick them up? Yeah, probably Home Goods. So I just added really neutral greenery with the little brown sticks. Nothing special, you know, just something to bring some life to this corner. I'll give you a closer look so you can see the detail in them. They're really pretty. And I do think they look really nice here, and at least they fill in the area, which is what I really wanted. Now I want to think of something really creative for the upcoming spring season, because at Christmas time I had my Santa and had a whole. I know many of you want to see Miss Mia. She always sits here on this staircase like this. It's so. The thing she does is mess up this carpet. Okay, so this is the view from up here. And you can see into my dining room, and we'll go there right now. I don't want to spend too much time on it. So we're in my dining room, and I don't want to spend an excessive amount of time in here because I did show my dining room. I'll leave all that link down below if you want to see, because I did a video on my hutch, and I truly love the way it looks. It's really, really neutral. And it does say come on spring, and you know me, I can't wait for spring. I should have done a video on how I styled my dough bowl, but it's really simple, guys, if you're really interested in that. It's just hydrangeas, cream colored hydrangeas, and I added some topiary balls, and that's it really. And if you're new here, I recently painted out my fireplace. And those are shopping bags in the corner. I should have taken them away for the video, but that's okay. And if you're noticing all these little patches along the wall, yeah, I'm in the middle of patching all the walls up because I can't stand them anymore. So that's what I'm doing. And here is the chairs that I recently painted in this vignette. I think it looks really cute, but I don't want to focus too much on the dining room because, again, I do have an entire video on the dining room. So yeah, so let's go back into the hallway, and then I'll take you to when you walk along my hallway, I showed you this little table already, and then this is a very, very, very formal hallway table that I've had for many years. It's quite old. It's very old, actually. And I'm actually debating on changing it out because my style has changed. And I don't think I'm going to change on my mirror because I have an idea. And this mirror is really special to me. So I'm not going to change it up. But I did add my lanterns and this fern. Guys, doesn't this look super expensive? Like I paid a fortune? No, ma'am. This is all dollar store. Yep, that's right. I made this myself. This is a little container I found at Target on clearance. And then I just took all the dollar store ferns that I bought and made them. And maybe I'll show you in a video because I did make another one also. Okay, let's go into the living room and I'll show you what I changed up in here. And hopefully the lighting is good. I left my couch the way it was. But I had another piece of my couch, but I moved it. I thought, I don't know, I wanted a little bit of a change. So I brought these two Parson chairs in here, and I added a little round table. And I think I kept everything super, super, super neutral with touches of amber glass. And I know you've all seen my fireplace mantle before. I did a decorate with me with it. And I still am loving it, but it's time for a change now. And then over here, I never showed this part, is this antique chair that I have. And I just put a basket there with some pillows and a blanket ladder. And that's pretty much it. And then this is my TV wall. I styled my shelf here, which I keep my TV on. Really simple. I did add some amber glass down there. You can see that. And a little fleur-de-lis vase that I have. Let me go in closer so you can see it better. There you go. And then this over here, I just put 2 candles and this lantern. And I added a tiny, tiny bit of mercury glass because I'm kind of obsessed with mercury glass. And then I just put a simple garland here because I kind of want to conceal the wires, which I'm not doing a very good job at. And then up here above my TV is just a little shelf and a little arch. And I just put a little vase with some greenery and some topiary balls. And I'll show you the other fern I made. This one is in a bigger container, and that was on clearance too from Target. And all these ferns, guys, are just dollar store. But I'm telling you, if you had to buy this in a store, this would cost you a lot of money because it's really, really big. I don't know if you could tell how big it is. It's really big. And then I'll show you what I just did over here because this little vignette turned out really cute, I think. Okay, I have this little glass, almost like a house looking lantern. I got it at Pier 1 a while back. I just put some greenery on the bottom and this pretty flower arrangement, and then I tied some wood beads that I had made on it. I have my little Bath and Body Works candle and one of those little things that you get and you put matches in it. Yeah, so that was it. And everything else just pretty much stayed neutral and the same. If you're, wondering, my coffee table is styled really plain. There's my ode to Valentine's Day, I guess. The pillow that says love on it. And I just kept it really, really neutral. And I'm sorry about the lighting, but it's a really cloudy, kind of gloomy day here. So that's it. All right, I'm going to take you quickly into the kitchen because there's really not much to see. And I know most of you have seen it anyways. But for those that are new here, this is my kitchen eating area. I love my eating area. I do not at all love the kitchen cabinets at all. Me and these kitchen cabinets are not friends. And I don't like the layout of this kitchen at all. It's a really bad layout. It looks really, really big. And just an FYI, this house is 3,400 square feet. And personally, for a home that is this big in size, this is the worst. As I was saying, for a home this size, this is the worst laid out kitchen I've ever seen in my life. No pantry, no nothing. So here it's just really simple. I hope the lighting is okay because it's pretty, I don't know, showing up pretty bright. It's just really simple. I didn't do anything on that bottom shelf because, I don't know, I ran out of steam, I guess. And I'm a little bit over the neutral at the moment. So yeah, so there's the kitchen. My vignette on my kitchen table is really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. This looks really good. And I'll show you the best part of my kitchen. To me, personally, this is the best part of my kitchen. I love this chalkboard. It lets me be really, really creative and do something fun all the time. I switch it up. I love this little chalk painted table that I have here. And I have my magazines down there in that wicker box. There's Mia. Sorry, guys. I can't control Mia. In the wicker box, I have my plugins, my wallflowers. And then in that metal box there, I keep some catalogs, I guess. And then this vignette turned out really cute. I really like this vignette. And yeah, that's it. And I love these. These are some of my favorite things. So I hope this gives you an idea of how you can make your home really neutral. Sorry, I have this butler's pantry here, which I keep my coffee on. And there's whatever you see on this side is exactly what is on the other side. And it's really dark in here. Really, really dark. But I did add a smidge, a tiny, tiny bit of Valentine's Day. I was going to do more Valentine's Day decor, but guys, it's just not something I'm really into. So I did add it to my little 2-tiered tray, and I'll show you my coffee bar because I do think it turned out really cute. Look how adorable this little sign is, first of all. Dollar Tree. And then these are just to-go cups because I always need them when I'm running out the door. I try to save money by making my own coffee at home and not buying too many Starbucks. But I do buy Starbucks. So yeah, that's, and this is a new thing for me. These little tiny, tiny Rae Dunn cups. I think they are adorable. And if you're new here and wondering about this tray, this is from my store. I sell this tray, obviously. And this is what I did on this side because I just wanted to keep it simple. I added a plant. I made that plant too. That's just a stem from Michael's, and pot from the dollar store, I'm pretty sure. And that's it. And then I put, my Ray Dunn stuff here, my coffee. There's coffee in both the containers. And I'm telling you, I'm totally crushing on these little tiny Ray Dunn cups. In my creamer, I keep my Splenda. Yeah. So that's it. I think you've seen the whole house pretty much. There's the kitchen and there's the family room. Oh, there's Mia. This is where she sleeps, guys. This is where she sleeps. She is the cutest puppy ever. The cutest puppy ever. This is where she sleeps. Did you like it? What do you think? It's really neutral, right? I mean, for me, this is really neutral. Okay, so here it is. Me and Winter are officially breaking up. Yep, that's it. Bye, Winter. Had enough. I'm being silly. Okay, I'm done with Winter. I'm just saying, and I'm done with neutral. I tried living with it for a good long time. Like, for me, this is a long time to live with neutral. So now that I'm breaking up with Winter, spring is on its way. Oh yeah, here comes the color. So, all my videos coming up next will be filled with color and sunny, beautiful color called yellow and purple that I love. You just wait. This is all coming down this weekend. I mean, maybe, hopefully. Most of it's coming down. I'm telling you, tonight, I'm going to get Angela to help me, and I'm going to start with this kitchen because I'm over it. It's too neutral. Okay, guys, have a fantastic weekend. Have fun Super Bowl. My team's not playing, but that's all right. I don't know who I'm rooting for. I don't know. Who should I root for? I mean, they're not my team anyways. Bitter Saints fan. Okay, bitter Saints fan. But anyways, so the Super Bowl's on this weekend. Have fun watching Super Bowl. I'll see you on Monday, obviously. I have so many exciting things coming. I'm going to have some new stuff coming to the shop. What? New stuff? Yeah, new stuff. I'm going to have some really cool new stuff coming to the shop. So, and I always leave the shop website down in the description box if you're new here and you've made it to the end of me rambling and showing you my house. Then, yeah, you can find it in the bottom. And for the rest of you, because I know my subbies are the best ever, thank you. I love you. Have a great weekend. See ya Monday. Let's get to color. Oh, I cannot wait to get some color in here. Look, even my shirt's gray. Why are you rambling, Bella? I don't know. I'm in a really good mood. Hope you guys are in a good mood too. I love you. I wish you all whatever your heart desires, I hope you have it. I really do. Guys, say a prayer for me. I am in a very odd transition in my life. I have to make a lot of decisions, and I'm not one for making a decision. Yeah. I find it really hard making big decisions. So pray for me that I find guidance or something happens for me that just says, okay, do this. Anyways, have a fantastic weekend. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye YouTube.